Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Kid here, coming at you again with another video, guys. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Chainlink, where I think the price is going in the month of January 2021. A little bit about Ethereum, so let's get right into it. So first off, we got to acknowledge what's going on right now and what's been happening. A lot of the exchanges have been going down. Basically, Bitcoin went all the way up to $40,000. If you guys were able to see that, absolutely a crazy day, historic day even for Bitcoin. As you can see, this has it at 40,114 for the peak of today, but I actually saw it at 40,400. Basically crossed the $40,000 barrier. The sheer amount of orders coming in was more. It is faster than anything I'd ever seen. So many people were there to buy Bitcoin, and it just pumped up $400 like nothing, right after it crossed the $40,000 barrier, which is just showing you, as the price is increasing, a lot of these institutions, investors, are now starting to come into the space. And what I don't think a lot of people realize is that a lot of these institutions are probably, and this is sort of a theory that has a lot of backing to it, why would these institutions with potentially billions of dollars be coming into a space where their $1 billion investment is already going to make up basically a percentage of the coin's market cap? Like, they're just a lot of, I feel like personally there's a lot of players on the sidelines that are waiting to come in to a Bitcoin price that can support their investment, and one that can kind of build on it. So that's just kind of my theory for that. But anyways, I don't think Bitcoin's going to be capped at 40K. I think it can keep going if this bull run stays up. If these exchanges fix themselves and Bitcoin surpasses 40K again, like I think it will, and I think like a lot of us think it will, this is basically everything I say about Ethereum and Chainlink is on the basis that the crypto bull run is going to continue. I will let you know there's going to be some crashes along the way. It could happen today, tomorrow, next week, the week after, but a crash will eventually come, and not really a crash, but more of a correction. But regardless, this is going off the basis that we're going to stay in this bull run. Bitcoin's hopefully going to pass 40K and stay above it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into some Chainlink talk right now. Currently sits at the price of $16.26, changing every second. Quite exciting times, honestly. We saw Chainlink going all the way up to, I believe it was 17 something today. Let's go ahead and check out the peak right now. Looks to be about $17. Let's go to the daily. 17.20 it has it on the daily chart. So obviously pretty impressive from Chainlink, but if we remember going back to just a few months ago, Chainlink was even higher than that. It went all the way up to $20 before any of this bull run or anything even really happened. If we go to the 3-month chart, or maybe we have to go to the yearly chart, we can see that the price was a lot higher back here. In, I guess, middle of August was when everything was kind of going down. It did reach $20 though, I know that. So basically we're still, just like Ethereum, we're still off of all-time highs by, looks like $3.80 at current prices. And if Bitcoin's any indication, all-time highs are not only going to be broken, but they're going to be surpassed, hopefully 75 all the way up to Bitcoin just basically did a 2x on its all-time high, so 100% gains on its all-time high. The theory is that Bitcoin's kind of just ahead of the game by a few steps, so hopefully a lot of these coins follow in Bitcoin's footsteps in reaching their all-time high and then basically 2xing it. I believe the next to do this is probably going to be Ethereum. Once it reaches probably $1,450 is the all-time high, and I honestly do believe it is probably going to be heading to $2,500 to $3,000, somewhere in that territory. And then hopefully a lot of the money from those coins, or maybe just new money coming in, starts to flood into coins like Chainlink that we're talking about today, Polkadot, Cardano, maybe even XRP and XLM. So regardless, where do I think the price of Chainlink is going? Well, based off what I just said, it's probably going to reach that $20 all-time high. I don't think we are able to fully explore the all-time high for Chainlink because it is a new coin, so we don't even really know what the all-time high would theoretically be if this coin is around in the 2017 bull market. So we can honestly we're going to work with the $20 figure for now, so that's why I'm saying minimum $40 for Chainlink at some point in this bull run. I think you can take that to the bank as long as this thing continues. Of course, if the bull run stops for whatever reason, we're obviously probably not going to get that number. But as long as it continues like it is right now, a $40 to $50 Chainlink, I'd even say 50 is probably pretty conservative at this point for the absolute tip of this thing. $40 to $50 Chainlink is very conservative in my opinion. And I think a lot of us can kind of get behind that based off some of the stuff we're seeing in the markets, because that's basically just a 2x from the all-time high that we never really got to see because it wasn't around 2017. So that's kind of my basis for investing in Chainlink. Besides the fact, besides like the money side of it, Chainlink is also just one of the most useful pieces of technology in the cryptocurrency space. Has 200 plus partners. It's insanely active. A great team that's always getting new partnerships on the daily. So yeah, Chainlink, great projects. Probably going to $40 to $50 this year based off that basis. Let me know in the comments where you think Chainlink is going this year. Super excited. I think everyone should have a bag, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.